I want to raise awareness to really trust your gut if you feel like something's wrong with you. I'm currently 4 months pregnant and also have a chronic illness, so a lot of the days I don't feel myself. But I woke up one day and I couldn't eat, I couldn't drink, I couldn't walk, I couldn't see. Honestly, I felt like something bad was going to happen. After deciding that it wasn't just pregnancy or my chronic illness making me feel this way, I took myself to urgent care, and as soon as they got there, they called an ambulance. Basically, they took my blood pressure and it was as low as 48, and for those non-medical people out there, that's an extremely low blood pressure and it can be really dangerous if you are pregnant. When we finally got to A&E, they basically queued up all of the ambulance trolleys in a line in the corridor. At this point, I was slightly feeling a little bit better and managed to eat some popcorn, but my blood pressure was still reducing. So here's me in the corridor in A&E. Despite being in the corridor in A&E for, I think it was 9 hours, they did manage to get an IV line in me to get some fluids into me. Once I had the fluids into me, I did start feeling better, but my blood pressure was still dropping. Because of this, I was sort of in and out of consciousness, trying to get some sleep in the corridor of A&E. They still didn't know what was wrong with me, so they decided to admit me to a gynecological ward at 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and this is me finally getting some rest. I have to say, the nurses and doctors were absolutely lovely, despite being in A&E for about 12 hours. So I had my private room. Again, they still don't know what was wrong with me, but they basically gave me a whole load of water through an IV drip and also gave me a gentamicin antibiotic injection. The next day I went for scans. As you can see, I was feeling a little bit better here, but my scans basically came back fine. We still don't know what was wrong with me. I still had this extremely low blood pressure, but they did finally allow me to leave hospital. As you can see, I look like a different person here to who I was when I went in there. We went for a scan today to check the baby, and the baby was all okay, but we still don't know what was wrong with me, and I still had the low blood pressure.